426-7000, and John will give you a cash offer without any inspections or other headaches. That's 510-426-7000. When you sell to John Buys BayAreaHouses.com, you decide when you want to move, according to your schedule and your terms. John buys vacant houses, inherited houses, beautiful houses, fixer-uppers in any condition, as is. John buys BayAreaHouses.com provides you the easiest sell possible and assists you in every step of the way. If you want to sell and have any questions, please call 510-426-7000. That's 510-426-7000. And get the offer you have been waiting for.
The IRS doesn't mess around. If they want your money, they'll take it. They can take your paycheck and bank accounts too, even threaten your home or business. Don't take on the IRS alone. If you owe back taxes, the smartest thing you can do is call Optima Tax Relief. The experts at Optima specialize in a powerful IRS tax assistance. Their clients that qualify are saving thousands. One call starts the process to stop the demand letters. Stop aggressive targeting you. But don't delay. It's important to act now while you still have options. Optima is A+ rated with the Better Business Bureau. Optima has already resolved over $1 billion of tax debt for their life back. For tax help you need, for tax help you can trust, call Optima now for your free consultation.
Call 800-298-3904. 800-298-3904. 800-298-3904.
Optima Tax Relief.
Some restrictions apply. For complete details, please visit OptimaTaxRelief.com.
10:58 at KCBS. We got a crash in Palo Alto. Victor has to take traffic center.
And that's what's causing a slowdown on 101 southbound just as you approach Embarcadero Road. That's where you're going to see the brake lights. Been moved over to the right-hand shoulder, just slightly past Embarcadero, but it's emergency vehicles that are blocking the right lane. That's the reason why you're very sluggish through there. Also, slow traffic in the northbound direction of 101, leaving the mountain around Shoreline Boulevard to just slightly past San Antonio Road as you head into Palo Alto, and also still looking at slow traffic in Sunnyvale on Highway 237 in the westbound direction as you approach to Matilda Avenue. At Matilda Avenue, there was a report of an earlier crash that was blocking lanes. Everything's on the right-hand shoulder, but people still slowing down, taking a quick look. By the time you reach Highway 101, you'll be clearing at the speed limit. Your next traffic update at 11:08 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Sunny skies out there, some clouds sticking around at the coast. We're looking at 60s at the beaches, 70s around the bay to the low 80s inland. The clouds come back tonight, they'll be off by tomorrow afternoon. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS, where it is Wednesday, September 28th, 2020.
Matt Bigler in Pleasant Hill, where there's a surprising ending to an hours-long standoff at a Nordstrom rack store.
It is very possible that he put on other clothing.
I'm Megan Goldsby on what Oakland's chief of police says is still a major driver behind the spike in gun violence in the city.
Good morning, I'm Holly Kwong, CBS News.
When you need to know, KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1.